I have no ideas for this video. I mean, I guess I could show you how to make an origami frog. Why? Because. I'm an expert. Let's learn. Alright, let's make a paper frog. So all you need for this is an index card and then something to write with. This will be to make details like the face. You can use a marker, pencil, or whatever. Now to start, you start with the lines of the index card facing up. If the paper you're using doesn't have lines, then this doesn't matter. But you want this side face down because this is going to be the back of the frog. And the first step is we fold diagonally all the way to the edge and then crease this line. And then we open it up and do the same way the other direction. So we'll have an X in the middle of the upper portion of the index card. You see we have an X shape. And now we're going to flip it over, and then right where that intersects, we're going to fold it in half this way. So right where that line is, all the way back, and then crease that as well. So then when you open this up, it should fold inward like this. So we're just going to flatten that down, and then you can crease it if you need to, just to make sure that's flat. And now these little ends that are sticking up are going to become the arms of the frog. So we fold them all the way up to the end of the mouth, just like that, and you can crease these as well. And then those are the arms. And now these ends right here get folded inward. And then you line that up. So this end right here lines up with that when you fold it inward flat, and then we want to crease that. I do the same on the other side. So you're just folding it in straight, just like this. And now we make the jumper part of the frog. So you fold the bottom half up to where the arms start, but don't crease this part as much as the others because you want it to be a little bit springy so that it jumps. And then you take this and then fold it back the rest of the way. So you have this shape right here, and then that is what makes it jump. And now we can take our marker and we can draw a face on it if you wanted to. You can add whatever details you want. You can add eyes, and then you have this little frog. And make sure the arms lined up, and then thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that tutorial of I don't even know what, but now you know how to make a paper frog. So subscribe and hit that bell notification so if I ever do make another one of these videos, you'll know, or maybe you're just waiting for regular videos. Either way, remember, we perform to amaze. See you next week.